Steve and Renae Adrian own FASTSIGNS in Forest, Virginia. Their installer, Adam, uses the Chariot bucket for his aerial installs, but he also takes the van ladder to his indoor jobs. Why? It's the Workport box. I asked Steve to compare his van ladder with his other bucket truck.
That's a uni-tasker over there, okay? That truck over there only does one thing, okay? It's a truck with a boom on it. This truck does so much more. Okay, this is our total installation vehicle. It's on the road 8:30 to 5 days a week, regardless of the type of install we're doing, because we can put everything that we need for any job that we're going to do in this truck.
Steve gave me a tour of the compartments in his total installation vehicle, starting in the back.
The great thing about this area, okay, we can put a 12-foot panel back here, even longer if you open up the door that goes into the cab. And Adam can load himself up for the week and put the panels right here. We'll put cardboard or a blanket or whatever between the panels to protect them.
Next, Steve brought me to the driver's side.
This box is everything having to do with safety and OSHA for the job. Okay, see, we've got our hard hats and harnesses, wheel chocks, orange cones. This area we have all our adhesives, our cleaning agents, touch-up paint. So if there's just a quick vinyl job, I call it a hit and run. He can pull right up, grab his stuff, go up to the window, bang, bang, bang. He's out, close it up, off to the next one. We've got our first aid kit. This is where all our electrical items would be that we would need to do, execute anything electrical at the level that we're able to do it.
Then we moved to the passenger side.
Here we've got some organizers in here for all our mechanical fasteners. Everything is labeled. This box has our basic hand tools in it, and this is our rigging bag. This is the box, of course, where the inverter is that came with the truck. We've got all our tools up here. Battery, we use DeWalt. We also have some cord operated tools in here because the battery version just is not going to cut it. And for like a grinder or a reciprocating saw, or a heat gun, okay? You really got to have a corded option there to get the job done, and this inverter just does it. It keeps us from having to haul a generator around.
While touring the truck, the question that kept popping into my mind was, how do you keep this organized?
Okay, when Adam is done coming in for the day, okay, he empties all the garbage, he checks all the fasteners. If he needs to refill, he'll go over to our stock over here and refill these jars. So we have 100% capability every day. We're not running to Lowe's, we're not running to Home Depot. Everything that we need every day is right here. On a traditional truck, you open the door and it looks like a Sanford and Son display. But I own this business to make money. Okay, this all pushes money to the bottom line.
If you're looking to push more money to the bottom line, maybe you should consider a van ladder. We not only have ISA's Innovation Award-winning Chariot bucket with its time-saving installation accessories, but we also have a roomy box that allows you to stay fully stocked and organized. Van ladder, the bucket truck that simplifies sign work.